We are also starting as a pilot now in Nizamabad for biometric attendance system. That is this system, wherein this is a system which we have put up, wherein a proper worksite management system. This is the worksite management system for NREGS, wherein demand of the wage seekers for work can be captured. Then biometric attendance of the workers at the field will be taken. The GPS location is captured by the system, and the measurements are taken by the system. Then even the payslip will be generated and then handed over to the wage seekers. This is a system which we have developed and being piloted in Nizamabad, and we will take it up in entire mandal of one mandal, that's Biknur, and then later we will be expanding it to the entire state. So one is that we have a AP Online basically is a franchisee model, wherein we have about 900 in fact 900 centers in the rural areas. So one of the major agents of our propagation awareness is these people. These are the people who are located in that village and part of that community, and then they've set up a center with a simple computer, a printer, and an internet connection. With that, they can become a member of our AP Online and provide all services using internet to the village people. So many places we have got, this is a list of services which we have got, wherein the electricity, water, telephone bills, insurance payments, even milk cards, then revenue services, but that's okay. And death certificates. These are the services. Exam results, in fact, that's a very important one, where the moment the minister announces the exam results in Hyderabad, they will be available as a proper document, authorized printout they would get in the villages itself. So these are the various features which are there, and our agents basically are the people within the village itself.